on with trucking.
It's not really long distance, but it's longer than the Price Chopper and back.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see if this works. Do you think we'll make it?
Yeah, pretty dangerous, live on the edge.
We got some cows.
Oh God, the cows.
And we got Jed behind us. I don't know if you can see it. But we're about to go down. It's kind of like a mini highway. I guess we'll see how well this works. Yeah. Seems to be doing okay. That's so nasty. Oh, God.
And you wanted to be in the first drive.
God dang it.
It'll get worse before it gets better.
Yes. There's still Dookie in here somehow. We got ourselves stuck behind a slow SUV up there. Jed says we're going to some church.
Yeah, it's there's a church on one side of the road. They got like a community building on the other.
Yeah.
And they rented the community building for the birthday party.
Oh, I guess that makes sense.
It was like 10 birthday parties.
Yeah.
All in one.
Yeah. And more cows.
Huh?
Said and more cows.
Yeah.
Woo! Hill. Hopefully this thing has pretty good brakes.
Yeah. I think I got brakes.
You think you have brakes? Oh, well, that's scary.
I think I got some Dookie in my mouth.
Oh, we made it down the hill, no issues.
Daughter hung up, hooked me up with those. Yeah,
They're nice.
Put them in her car.
I'm surprised by the blue, though. It kind of clashes with the red in here.
Yeah, well, you know, kind of fits the whole van.
Yeah, hopefully we can make it up this hill. It looks pretty steep from here.
Got a new distributor. Called John just sent me. I didn't get a chance to put it in this morning.
Yeah.
Probably make all the difference in the world.
Well, it seems to be. We're making it up the hill.
Oh yeah, beating this stupid SUV.
Yeah. This SUV, though, like, seriously needs to get it moving. I can just see it pulling up in this whole van with Jezebel on the car trailer behind it. Everybody be like, ha 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 ha.
Straight out of the 70s.
Yeah. Looking for your bell bottoms.
Huh?
So they start looking for your bell bottoms. That was the 70s, right? Jed had a pair of bell bottoms in high school.
Oh, he did?
Yeah. That his mom made them. It was like the coolest thing ever.
Probably what I need. Come on now, get the hell out of the road. Clogging up my sinuses.
Jed's still behind us, so we're still doing good there. Is that a teddy bear on a fence?
Yep.
Oh my God. The weird ass things you see in Kansas.
Yeah, I got a weird taste in my mouth.
Probably from the dookie that flew up into your face. Into your face. Have you decided what you're gonna do for the wall panels?
Yeah, gotta get that done. Gotta make. I'm gonna go with vinyl button stuff.
Yeah. What color?
Let's go up there black.
Black. That'd be cool.
I have to go up to Hobby Lobby and get a bunch of black vinyl.
Yeah.
A bunch of them little silver buttons.
Yeah.
Get some of that real thin wood.
Mm-hmm.
Make it fit the side. We'll glue all that shit on there and put the buttons through it.
Yeah. That'd be cool.
I think it all works. It's jet sail panel like that.
Yeah, I remember that. Are we here?
Yeah.
We're here, guys. We made it. You know what this means? That we successfully accomplished a trip longer than the Price Chopper and back. And then we got Jed pulling up beside us. Look at there. Look at Cole and Jezebel. Oh, that dookie that fell out while we were driving. It's so gross. Everywhere. Well, we're getting ready to leave.
Better get a filter.
Yeah. Yeah. We better. I'm just hoping this thing makes it back. Look at all this nasty ass shit.
Oh, come on now.
Legit shit. Alright.
It could be worse.
Yeah, it could be. Look, there's Jed. Oh, there was some rock. And there he goes speeding away.
Hang on.
That was fun.
No seatbelt.
Yeah, no seatbelt. Well, looky there, we made it back.
It don't get bad.
Oh, his blinkers work. Jed just got photoed.
I gotta get up and go. I got her floored.
You got her floored. Backing in. I guess we'll see how well this goes.
Yeah, don't hit my pickup.
Yeah, don't hit your pickup.
Take that mirror over there. You can see what
It needs some serious cleaning.
Dookie out on the first pass.
You think so?
Wasn't too bad coming back.
No, it was actually pretty fun. Minus the whole Dookie thing.
Yeah, I gotta get my vacuum out and see if I'm still yet.
Okay.
Well, thank you guys for checking out this video. Now, this is actually my first time viewing this, because obviously I was driving Jezebel while Dad and Anna were in the van, and did a pretty good job, Anna. Did a pretty good job. Other than your distractions with cows and teddy bears on fences, which the teddy bear thing was pretty weird, not gonna lie. But as far as for anybody who watched the video all the way through, thank you very much from the bottom of my heart. This was basically the first real adventure we took in the van and me and Jezebel. I don't have any video footage of me and Jezebel because it was just me, and I was more focused on driving and not dying. Yeah, it's kind of a shame that they had the Dookie-Tornado happen, but it was kind of funny. I was kind of hoping Anna might have caught more of that on video, but yeah, rest assured, hopefully we've got all of the Dookie gone. Hopefully. Just wish us luck. So, if you guys enjoyed this video, do the usual, and stay tuned, because we got some more first drive videos coming out featuring Dad and Jezebel, and his reaction is just phenomenal. And I just give you a snippet for it. It's so, look forward to seeing you guys in the next one. As always, take care, and bye-bye.